Hello, ito po si Federico Ayawahat. Mag-promote ako sa Involve Asia affiliate ng Loan Online PH. Ito po, so Loan Online is a loan broker that is looking to boost financial inclusion in short is Asia through alternative data through capturing and processing data from alternative data sources. Loan Online PH builds new ways of accessing credit over time. In coming months, Loan Online will roll out bank product and its mobile app in Philippines market lead requirements interest financial services. Why join us? One wide range of products with competitive price to is conversion to high website conversion rate 5%, 3 at least 2 promotion campaign per month, double day and payday. So isa kong Involve Easy affiliate o nakita niyo sa text. Involve Asia will not tolerate to any affiliate and conversation that come as result non-compliance with the guidelines listed below. So, ito pong ipopromote ko galing ito sa Involve Asia affiliate na loan online. Nakita natin sa description. So, maganda ang loan online page. Makautang ka ng 500 hanggang 25,000 sa 3 months hanggang 12 months. Ano po ang benefits? Benefits of personal online loans. The critical area of online loans is the numerous benefits players stand to get from using them compared to traditional loans. Below are some of the advantages which players get to experience from using these personal online loans. Quick loans validation process. Depending on their provider, you may only need one valid ID and selfie photo to complete the loan application process. The process is easy and only requires just few clicks in most cases. Zero interest for short payment. When taking online loans with short-term repayment plans of about 7 days, most online lenders do not figure any interest fees, thus you only have to pay your extra loan amount without additional charges. So, maganda po ang loan online page. Ito po ang mga nakalono. Adrian, online loan service at Loan Online PH is extremely convenient. It only took minutes to get a comparison table of loans from different loans companies. Sabi po ni Kayla, borrowing money online with Loan Online PH is extremely easy and convenient. Just with a phone connected to the internet, the loan experiences at Loan Online PH is amazing. Sabi po ni Jericho, I need to borrow some money urgently. Thanks to Loan Online PH was able to quickly compare loans. Many provider pass. So, kung gusto ka mo mag-utang sa Loan Online PH, i-click ang link o i-copy ang or i-scan ang QR code. So, kung sa Facebook ko ito ipopost, maklik ang link sa comment section. Kung sa TikTok or YouTube, i-scan lang ang QR code. Maraming salamat.